In this video, I will show you how to use your Twitch affiliate program benefits. First, open the Twitch app or visit the Twitch website and sign into your affiliate account. Next, click on your profile icon, then open the Creator dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access the feature available to Twitch affiliates. Go to Monetization to manage channel subscription, bids, and ads. Here you can enable subscription, track your earning, and manage ad settings if they are available for your account. To customize subscriber perks, go to Viewer Rewards or the relevant customization section in the Creator dashboard. Here you can upload subscription emotes, create subscription badges, and manage channel point rewards to give your community interactive ways to engage with your stream. You can also review your analytics to see how your channel is performing and identify which benefits are generating the most engagement and revenue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.